Installing awning windows in Houston can be an excellent choice for homeowners seeking to improve both the aesthetics and functionality of their property. Awning windows, which are hinged at the top and open outward, provide a unique way to let fresh air in while offering protection from rain. However, just like any home improvement project, proper installation is crucial to ensure the windows function as intended and deliver the expected benefits. Many homeowners, especially those attempting a DIY project, can make costly mistakes during installation. To help ensure a smooth and successful window installation, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Neglecting to measure accurately. One of the most critical aspects of installing awning windows is getting the measurements right. Many homeowners make the mistake of not measuring the window opening carefully before ordering their awning windows. If the windows are too small or too large for the opening, the installation process becomes more complicated, and the windows may not fit properly, leading to gaps and drafts. To avoid this mistake, always take precise measurements of both the width and height of the window opening. Measure at multiple points to account for any irregularities in the wall structure. If you're unsure, it's always wise to consult a professional to ensure you're purchasing the correct size windows. Ignoring local climate considerations. Houston's climate is known for its heat and humidity, and it's essential to choose windows that are built to withstand these conditions. A common mistake homeowners make is choosing awning windows without considering the weather challenges specific to Houston. For example, choosing windows that aren't equipped with proper insulation or weatherproofing could lead to higher energy bills or water infiltration during the frequent rainstorms. To avoid this, ensure you select awning windows with high-quality weather seals, insulation, and materials that are resistant to moisture. Look for energy-efficient windows that can help you maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing energy consumption. Additionally, double-check that the awning windows have good drainage features to prevent water buildup. Improper installation of flashing and seals. A common mistake during installation is neglecting the proper installation of flashing and seals around the window frame. Flashing is a material used to direct water away from the window frame, preventing leaks and water damage. If flashing is installed incorrectly or not used at all, it can lead to moisture seeping into the wall and creating long-term damage. When installing your awning windows, take extra care to ensure the flashing is installed properly, and make sure that all seals around the window are tightly secured. This will not only prevent leaks but also help to maintain your home's energy efficiency. Overlooking the ventilation benefits. Awning windows are prized for their ability to provide ventilation even in rainy weather. However, many homeowners fail to recognize this benefit during installation, choosing the wrong placement for their windows. For example, placing awning windows in locations where they will be blocked by overgrown shrubs, fences, or other obstructions can render their ventilation benefits useless. When installing your awning windows, make sure the opening mechanism can operate freely without obstructions. Choose strategic locations that allow for maximum airflow while maintaining the aesthetic of your home. Failing to properly secure the window. securing awning windows properly is essential for both safety and functionality. If the window is not securely fastened into place, it could become unstable, even fall out, creating a serious hazard. This is especially important in Houston, where strong winds and hurricanes can occur. Many DIYers may overlook the importance of reinforcing the window frame or neglect to use the right screws and anchors during installation. Ensure that you're following the manufacturer's instructions to secure the window properly. Using the right hardware and securing the window frame to the wall studs will ensure that the window stays in place, even during harsh weather conditions. Not hiring a professional when needed while installing awning windows may seem like a manageable task for some homeowners. There are instances when it's best to leave the job to professionals. If you lack the experience or tools to perform a safe and accurate installation, attempting the job yourself could lead to costly mistakes. A poor installation could cause energy loss, leaks, or even require replacing the window entirely. If you're unsure about any aspect of the installation process, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional window installer who is familiar with the specific requirements of Houston's climate. A professional will ensure your windows are installed correctly and provide peace of mind that your investment is protected. Conclusion: awning windows can enhance the comfort, style, and functionality of your home in Houston, but the key to enjoying these benefits lies in proper installation. By avoiding the common mistakes outlined above, you can ensure your windows provide long-lasting value. Whether you choose to tackle the installation yourself or hire a professional, make sure to follow the proper steps to guarantee your awning windows perform at their best.